Yes students, now here 3 digit number we have to multiply with 3 digit numbers. First, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First 5 with 9, 5 nines are 45, 5 is in ones place, 4 in tens place. 5 5 are 25, 25 plus 4, 26, 27, 28, 29. 9 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place. 5 6 is 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Next with 3. 3 is in tens place, first we have to take a 0 first here. Then with 3, 3 nines are 27, 7 in tens place, 2 also in tens place. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 7 in tens hundreds place and 1 in hundreds place. 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19. Now again one more 3 is there in hundreds place, so we have to take 2 zeros first. Now you take multiplication with 3. 3 nines are 27 and 2 carry over on in tens place. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 7 in thousands place and 1 in hundreds place. 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19. Now you add 5. 9 plus 7, 9, 10, 16 and 1 carry over here. 7 plus 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 7 and 1 carry over here. 7 plus 9, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 0 and 2 carry over here. 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 12, 2 and 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. 2,20,765. This is the answer. This is the answer, 2,20,765. Next, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Ones, tens and hundreds. First with 6, 6 sevens are 42, 2 in ones, 4 in tens. 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 here. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. With 6 it is over. Now with 8. 8 is in tens place, first you keep a 0 first here. 8 sevens are 56, 6 here and 5 here. 8 ones are 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 here and 1 carry over here. 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 35. 32 plus 1, 33. Then now with 2. 2 is in hundreds place, take 2 zeros. Now you start. 2 sevens are 14 and 1 carry over here. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 4s are 8. Now add 2, 6, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 12 and 1 carry over here. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 12. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. 1,22,262. 1,22,262. This is the answer. Now, this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Now we start multiplication with 5. 5 with 8. 5 8s are 40, 0 and 4. 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 4, 44 and 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Now with 7. Here first we start with 0. Why? Because it is in tens place. 7 8s are 56, 6 and 5. 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 5, 61 and 6. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 6, 13. 13 we have to take. Now, with 1 is in hundreds place, we have to take 2 zeros, then start with 1. 1 8s are 8, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Now add 0. 6 plus 4, 10 and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 19. 9 and 1. 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. 2 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 32,900. So, this is the product. Okay. Now, students, in this question, see here 417 into 286. See here. So, we multiplied with 6 as well as with 8 as well as with 2. So, in the addition, 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2, 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 1. Here 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9 here, 9. Here 9 will come, here there is no borrow, it is a single digit number. 8 plus 3 is 11. So, you make this one correct. Okay. So, 1,19,262. So, our addition is 1,19,262. So, this sum 41 sum you make it correct. Okay. Here we did addition. So, as here 12, that is not 12, here 9. 3 plus 3 6, 6 7 8 9 here, not 12. Okay. Now, multiply with 6. 6 4s are 24 and 2 carry over here. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38 and 3. 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51. Now, multiply with 2, means 1 0 we have to keep. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 1, 2 8s are 16, plus 1 17. Now, we have to multiply with 6. 2 zeros we have to keep. It is in tens place, that is why. 6 4s are 24 and 2. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, 38 and 3. 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51. Now, add 4. 8 plus 8, 16 and 1 carry over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 5, 20, 22. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Here 5. 5,40,864. Next, here with 0 first. 0, 0 6 is a 0, 0 8 is a 0, 0 4 is a 0. Now, multiply with 4 means it is in tens place, first you keep a 0 first. Now, 4 6 are 24 to carry over. 4 8s are 32, 33, 34, 34 and 3 carry over here. 4 4 are 16, 17, 18, 19. Now, multiply with 6 means we have to keep 2 zeros first. Now, 6 6 are 36 and 3 carry over here. 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51 and 5. 6 4s are 24 plus 5, 29. Then add 0, 4, 6 plus 4, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 2 plus 1, 3. That is 3,11,040. 3,11,040. Now, here first with 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. Now, multiply with 9. 9 is in tens place. So, first we take here 0. Then after that with 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 7 in hundreds place and one more 2 carry over on hundreds place. Okay. 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81 plus 2 83. Now with 100 So 2 zeros we have to take first. Now after that 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24 and 2, 8 nines are 72, 73, 74, 3, 9 plus 9, 18, 14, 15 plus 5, 23, 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11, 1 here, 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 13, 1 plus 1, 8. 8,31,383. Okay. Yes, now students, now here 4 digit number with a 2 digit number. Then how to do? First, so this is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now we have to multiply. So 8 with 2. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 6 ones and 1 tens. 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 8 zeros are 0. 8 6s are 48. It is over. Now with 4, here we have to take 0 first. Why? Because here it is in tens place. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. 4 6s are 24. So the digits, so you have to keep exactly below to that. Okay, ones place in ones place, tens place exactly below tens place, hundreds place exactly below 200s, 1000 and 1000 like that. Okay, 6, 8 plus 1 9, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 0 8, 4 plus 4 8 and 2. 2,88,096. 2,88,096. Now ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now with 1, 1 2s are, 1 3s are, 1 2s are, 1 3s are, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2 like that. Now with multiply with 2, 2 is in tens place, so here 0, then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now add, here it is addition, so in multiplication we have to add. Okay, so when after multiplication of the digits. Okay, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 4 7, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 4 7 and 6. Okay, now with 30, first this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. First with 0, 0 8s are 0 in ones place, 0 5s are 0 in tens place, 0 5s are 0 in hundreds place, 0 1s are 0 in thousands place. Now with 3, first we have to take a 0 in ones place. Now with 8, 3 8s are 24, 4 in tens place, 2 carry over on tens. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 7 in hundreds, 1 carry over on hundreds. 3 5s are 15, 16, 6 and 1 here. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. Then 0, 4, 7 plus 0, 7, 6 plus 0, 6 and 4. 46,740, 740. Okay. Now here ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now with 5, 5 8s are 40, 40 means 0 and 4. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34, 4 and 3 here. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18, 8 and 1. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16. Now with 6, 6 is in tens place, take 0 first. 6 8s are 48 and 4. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, 30 and 40. 0 and 4. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20. 0, 12, 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 1, 2. 2,18,920. 2,18,920. Now 5 ones, tens, 100 and 1000. First with 5. 5 nines are 45 and 4. 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 4, 49. 5 ones are 5, 9. 5 ones are 5. And with 1, first we take a 0, that is in tens place. Then 1 nines are 9, 1 nines are 9, 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are 5. Then add. This is our addition. Okay, this is our addition. 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 and this 5. 57,985. 57,985. Now students, here see once again, 5 nines are 45, 5 here and 4 here. 5 nines are 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 4. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 here. 5 fives are 25. 25 you have to write complete 25. Then after that, 1 is in tens place, 0 here. 1 nines are 9, 1 nines are 9, 1 ones are 1, 1 fives are 5. 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 9, 18, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19, 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7, 5 plus 2, 7 here. 5 plus 2, 7. 77,985. This is your answer. Next. Now here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. First with 4. 4 6s are 24. 4 9s are 36, 37, 38. 3. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15 and 1 here. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. Now we start with 2, means first we keep a 0, that is in thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, that is 2 is in tens place, so that is why we keep 1 0. 2 6s are 12 and 1. 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 7s are 14. Now add. Then 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 2, 10 and 1 here. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 1,77,504. This is the answer. Okay. Now students, find the product of the following. Here 35 multiply by 6. Here multiply with 6. 35 into 6. Now you multiply. 6 5s are 30. 0 1s, 3 tens. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. That is 210. This is the product. Now 194 multiply by 6. Multiply with 6. 6 4s are 24. 4 1s, 2 tens. 6 9s are 54, 55, 56. 6 tens, 5 hundreds. 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1164. Now 355 with 7. 355 with 7. 7 5s are 35 and 3 here. 7 5s are 35, 36, 37, 38. 8 tens, 3 hundreds. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. That is 2485. Now 765 with 45 with 2 digit number. First we multiply ones, tens, 100. 5 with 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones, 2 hundreds. 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. 2 tens, 3 hundreds. 5 sevens are 35, 36, 37, 38. Now we multiply with 4. 4 in tens place, so 0 here. 4 5s are 20, 0 here and 2 here. 4 6s are 24, 25, 26, 6 here and 2 here. 4 7 4s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30. Then add 5, 2, 14 here, 3 plus 1 4, 34,425, 34,425. Then 752 multiply with 10. Whenever 0 will come like this, then how to multiply? 752 ones are 752, and how many zeros are there? That zeros we have to keep. That is only the product. Now 457 we have to multiply with 1. 457. And how many zeros are there in multiplier? 2 zeros. That 2 zeros you have to keep in the product. So 45,700 is the product. That is the answer. Okay. Then seventh question, 645 into 500. 500, 600, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. If the numbers are given like this, then how to multiply? We saw before only. So then first we have to multiply 645 with 5. 5 5s are 25 and 2. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. 5 6s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. 3,225. Then after that, here how many zeros are there in multiplier? 2 zeros. That 2 zeros we have to keep. It is 3,22,500. In the same way, 5,555. This we have to multiply with this 5. 5 5s are 25 and 2. 5 5s are 25, 26, 27. 7 and 2. 5 5s are 25, 26, 27. That is 2,775. Then in the multiplier, how many zeros were there? 2 zeros, that we have to keep here. 2,77,500. So here 475 we have to multiply with 7. 7 8s are 56 and 5. 7 7s are 49, 54. 5 here. 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 5, 33. That is 3,346. Here how many zeros are there in multiplier? 1 0, that 1 0 you have to keep. Here also 145 we have to multiply with 5. 145 we have to multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25 and 2. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. 725. In the multiplier we have 1 0, that 1 0 we have to keep. So in this way, when 50, 500, 60, 600, 700, 7,000 will come, first we have to multiply multiplicand with the constant term, means 5, 6, 7, whatever. Then after that, how many zeros were there? That many zeros we have to keep in the product. Okay. Yes, now students, see here, fill in the blanks. How to fill the blanks? So here 15, in 15 table when you will get 30, 15 twos are 15 twos are. Here 0 is there, here 0 is there, no need to take, these zeros are equal. 15 twos are 30, 15 twos are 30. It means here in the box, so we will get 2, means 150 twos are 300, 150 twos are 300. Just here one 0 is there, here 1 0 is there. Remove these zeros, equal zeros. Then you check 15, 30. When you will get 15 in 15 table 30, 15 twos are. After that 121. In 121 table, when you will get 363. 121 threes are, check in threes are. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. 363 means 121 threes are. 121 threes are 363. But here 0 is there, that 0 we have to keep here. Means 121 30s are 3630. Now 59. 7080 when you will get 59. 708 we have to check in 59 table. So we have to divide and check. 59. 59 ones are 59. Here 1, here 2 and 8, here 1 and 8. 59 twos are 118, means 12s are. And this last 0 is there, that 0 we have to keep. That 0 we have to keep. 524, 524, 524 ones are 524. Here 2 zeros there, that 2 zeros we have to keep. 262 twos are 262, 66 twos are 2 6 are 12, 2 6 12, 13, 1, 2 is 4, 5, 532 twos are, and 2 zeros are there, that 2 zeros we have to keep. 100, 100, here 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 100, here 100, 100, 100 ones are 100, 2 more zeros are there, that 2 zeros you have to keep. Now fill in the blank. 205 into 16 is equal to dash into 205. Here we have to take 16, order property, means commutative property. 205 into 16 is equal to 16 into 205, commutative property. If any number is multiplied with 1, so the number itself only the answer. This is unit property. Unit property. Then this is commutative property. 23 into 90 is equal to dash into 90. This is 23 into 90 only. This is 23 into 90 is equal to 23 into 90. 23 into 90 only. 23 into 90. Now here 23 into 90 is equal to 90 into dash. 90 into what? 90 into 23. What it is? It is commutative property. Commutative property. Now 2925 into dash is equal to 0. This is 0 property. If any number is multiplied with 0, then the product is 0. Then this is associative property. 7, 12, 23. 7, 12, 23. Here 23 will come. 7, 12, 23. 7, 12, 23. Last two are in group. Here first two are in group, in one group. Okay. So this is commutative property. This is 0 property. This is associative property. This is associative property. This is 0 property. This is commutative property. This is identity unit property. So this is commutative property. Okay. Now students, after this, so you have to by heart your tables from 16 to 20, means from 1 to 20. So all tables you have to by heart. So tables are important. So all you should perfectly know the tables from 1 to 20 tables. Okay. So after this 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So tables you have to by heart. So from first to means table 1 to table 20. So it's compulsory to by heart. Okay. For multiplication as well as for your next chapter division also. So tables are very important. Okay.